Hello and welcome to this short presentation on Viral Angels, an extraordinary finance opportunity for the small-scale investor. But who are Viral Angels? Well, they're Swedish, they're a credit union with a head office in Stockholm. Founded in June 2012, the business operates now in 17 countries and astonishingly has members in over 70 countries. Viral Angels are a private members equity club, so you can only become a member by invitation from another member. And it offers a unique opportunity to be a shareholder in a number of carefully selected companies to give you a serious and exciting way of enhancing savings. I think most of us are living with very poor returns from savings with interest rates so low, and it's absolutely fantastic to have an opportunity to perhaps get a better return and to do it in a way which is so interesting. So Viral Angels really does give an extraordinary opportunity for small-scale investors. And what do they do? Well, they're a business angel, so they operate, I suppose, a little bit like the dragons on Dragon's Den. Their job is to evaluate and select companies with potential. And once they've done that and cherry-picked the best of them, Viral Angels takes a strong shareholding position, creates a management action plan and sees that plan through to completion. And within that plan, that may include items such as increasing the number of shareholders to ensure that the shareholder base is appropriate for the company floating. It can assess and assist with mergers and acquisitions if that's felt beneficial to the strength and profitability of the company as it's going for listing. It can be involved in raising capital and assisting with the marketing of the business and in preparing everything really that's needed for the initial public offering, the IPO. In return for their input, Viral Angels receives stock holdings, and the stock holdings are distributed 20% retained by Viral Angels, 80% being allocated to members. The history of Viral Angels is it was formed by an incredibly experienced team who are headed by a gentleman called Tony Norman, and Tony and his team have taken many companies to listing across the range really of the world's largest markets, including London, Frankfurt, Berlin, Stuttgart, Stockholm and New York. Names that we all know probably from seeing financial reports in the press or on TV, but perhaps we may not know that much about in the reality of our day-to-day experience. The results Viral Angels have achieved conservatively since the beginning is in excess of 300%, and the reality of that is that could perhaps be doubled at least. If you're becoming a member of Viral Angels, what benefits do you get? Well, one of them is information about non-listed companies, the companies that Tony and his team are working with to bring to listing. We receive weekly share allocations in those companies. We have access to an internal trading platform, so we can actually trade those shares. It may be you have an interest in a particular company and you don't have an interest in a different company you've received shares in. You can actually trade those shares, buying and selling in real time with real money and real profits being made. Members also receive a prepaid card. They have access to education and training and the option to participate in Viral Angels bonus programs and crowdfunding. So let's take a look at the membership levels. They start at just €39 a month. That's the silver level, and the range of options go through gold, platinum, ruby, up to a black diamond, which is €990 a month. And those membership levels are completely flexible. So month by month, you can either stay at the level that you're happy with, or you can change upwards or downwards without any problem at all. It's a completely flexible system. Each member also has what is known as the back office, and that's a computer space where you have all of the data about your account and where you can do really everything. It's the powerhouse of your membership with Viral Angels. So this screenshot will show you have the selection of the country flags at the top and some basic information about yourself and your account. There's company news coming down. To the left, there's a series of options, everything from trading, crowdfunding, your cash account, everything, as I say, that you really need to manage your account. It is the powerhouse. And also it shows you some affiliate links. And those affiliate links can be used to build, by word of mouth recommendation, a team of affiliates. And Viral Angels will actually pay handsomely for people who choose to do that. I think most of us in business know that word of mouth recommendation is always the best form of selling, and this is Viral Angels' way of giving that reward to their members. I've mentioned the card. There's a Pavo prepaid debit card, which is provided to all members at gold level or above, and a T24 black card, which amongst its many benefits is Priority Pass, which gives access to the VIP lounges at many airports around the world. So really some great benefits there. Within the program that Viral Angels operate for the companies they're working with, I mentioned they would perhaps look at times to see whether mergers or acquisitions would actually be helpful for the progress of that company. And there's an example here of a company Viral Angels have worked with, Trig.com, due to float on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange in May, where a merger actually has benefited and strengthened that company. They've merged with ZebraPlace, and ZebraPlace is an internet-based, effectively a shopping app, which has with it a cashback, and partners wonderful companies like Philips and Sony, Marks and Spencer's, Amazon. So some very good opportunities there for additional earning for members. It's strengthened the company, and we have high hopes that Trig is going to be a major success for Viral Angels. Trig itself is involved in social media. Combined now with ZebraPlace, we have the shopping and cashback, and I think most people will be aware of the recent purchase of WhatsApp by Facebook for a reported, depending on the report you've read, $11 billion to $19 billion. And we really do have high hopes for Trig, which is a company with a tremendous deal to offer, and it's been floated on the Frankfurt Exchange, which is one of the A-graded exchanges of the world. In advance of that campaign, in the advance of that listing, I should say, there is a campaign available to the end of March, and that is giving benefit to either existing members who upgrade their monthly membership package or to new members signing in. So if you're a new member looking at this business at the moment through this presentation and you decide that it's for you, my recommendation is please sign in before the 31st of March, because if you do, you're going to receive, in addition to normal share allocation, an extra half month's allocation of Trig shares. And as I've just mentioned, we're really hoping that that's going to be one of Viral Angels' success stories. So Viral Angels, great membership offers, great membership benefits. Also gives an opportunity to build a serious business, whether it's on a part-time basis or on a full-time basis. Let's have a look at how you would do that. I mentioned the word of mouth recommendation, and that's the simple basis for this. We have an affiliate team building program that any member can participate in, and the example here shows you perhaps speaking to 10 or a dozen people, 3 of whom decide that they like the option of membership, and they decide that they would like to share it with their network of contacts as well. You can see from the figures there are some substantial incomes to be earned, either on a part-time basis or a full-time basis. And I'm not going to go into too much detail on these other than to show the main headings of bonus that's available to achieve. What I suggest, if you're looking at this presentation, do please speak with the person who introduced you to it or has given you some information and ask them to clear it down for you. But if you've decided that you're going to build your affiliate member team, for every person that joins because of your efforts, you will receive a bonus direct into your cash account in your back office, and that's from Viral Angels as a thank you commission for you helping to expand the membership. If we take the example of gold level at €89 a month, €10 would be paid to you if you were the person who had attracted that new member. That would be your commission, and as the organisation grows, so that continues, and that payment is made to you every month. There are also, for those who are wanting to move quickly, fast track bonuses, and those are both share based and cash based. Again, some pretty good numbers there. There's a monthly bonus, again showing the various career positions that can be achieved from senior manager through to president, and the monthly bonuses that are attracted by those positions. There's a monthly leadership bonus. There's a one-time quarterly bonus. And you will not be surprised that there's an annual leadership bonus. All in all, giving estimated monthly incomes to those who are building the affiliate teams, ranging from a residual income, €250 a month, through to the far more substantial level at president level. As I say, I would encourage you to speak to the person who invited you to the presentation for the detail of those. There are also non-financial rewards such as luxury trips, and I think after all that hard work you would probably deserve it. These are completely personalised luxury trips for director level. And to assist people in building their membership and their affiliate business, we have webinars which run every week in fact now 10 languages. So wherever you have contacts across the world, you can invite them to just tune in to one of the webinars, and they will see information presented about the business, decide if it's right for them. If it is, they will join as a member within your affiliate team. In April of this year, we're having our first global convention, and that's in the Algarve in Portugal at the beginning of April. So Viral Angels, I think we can probably agree, really is an extraordinary opportunity for the small scale investor in terms of your membership benefits and the affiliate team building benefits that are there. It also introduces us to other aspects of the financial world and Viral Angels within it. So just a little more information about Viral Angels and its operation. Viral Angels is our open market. VA Open is our open market, and that again is free for all members to participate in. And it's also open to companies who are outside of the current VA portfolio. It's also really a place where VA can source some of the future projects they may wish to be involved in. They'll choose companies from the open market that they would like to move forward with and invest in them, and they will then be promoted to the VA Prime list, which we're going to take a look at. The VA Prime list has a company on there I've already mentioned, Trig.com. That's going to be floated in Frankfurt. Cellpoint is another company that's looking to be floated this spring, and some of the others you'll see on there as well. A new activity for Viral Angels is underwriting, and this means that Viral Angels are actually going to guarantee certain selected project offerings, and when they are giving that underwriting service, Viral Angels will get paid in shares, and those shares will then again be allocated to members who are qualified for this particular pool. The option pool. In most of the investments and underwriting cases, in addition to being paid in shares, Viral Angels are also going to require the companies they're working with to issue options to members to buy in at a later stage, but at an attractive price versus the real market price. And this pool consists of all of the options acquired by Viral Angels for its members. So it's another very beneficial addition to the membership package. The performance pool, when Viral Angels are taking a company public, they're also going to include a success fee, and that's going to be based on the market cap once the company is fully public. And if that exceeds a certain figure, VA will again receive additional shares, and they will also be allocated to members who are entitled to within the pool. So at all stages, our memberships are just continually enhanced by Viral Angels. The index pool is just as there's an index on the major stock exchanges, VA are going to have the same. They will take a certain percentage of the money that's coming in and buy stocks for that money according to the index, so that it's spread evenly, just like the standard index would be, and that will make sure that there is always a market there. The shares again that are purchased will go into the index pool and again will subsequently be allocated to members who are entitled. So I think at every stage you will see, whether it's on a membership level, whether it's affiliate team building level, or whether it's some of the additional activities Viral Angels are engaging in the development of the business, members are really considered, and the opportunity for us as small scale investors really is quite an extraordinary one. I would encourage all of you to have a word with the person who has invited you to look at this presentation. I hope that it's helped you to decide to be a member of Viral Angels, and I wish you all success with your membership. Thank you so much for your time in watching.